Ingredients. 1. 1/2 cup quick oats. 2. 1 cup milk. You can use almond milk or coconut milk if you prefer plant-based alternatives. 3. 1/2 banana, sliced. 4. A handful of berries, like blueberries or strawberries. 5. 1 teaspoon honey or maple syrup, optional for sweetness. 6. 1 teaspoon chia seeds or flax seeds. 7. A handful of nuts, like almonds or walnuts, instructions. 1. In a small pot, heat the milk until it just starts to simmer. 2. Add the oats to the milk and stir well until the oats become soft, about 5 minutes. 3. Once the oats are cooked, pour them into a bowl. 4. Top the oats with the sliced fruits, banana and berries. 5. Sprinkle chia seeds or flax seeds and your choice of nuts on top. 6. Add a bit of honey or maple syrup for sweetness if desired. 7. Mix everything together, and you can add more milk if you prefer a smoother texture. Benefits. 1. Oats are rich in fiber, keeping you full for longer. 2. Fruits provide essential vitamins and minerals to start your day. 3. Nuts give you healthy fats. A quick, healthy, and light breakfast to fuel your morning.